Imagine earning $1,000 a month while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make it a reality with passive income. These ideas are practical, scalable, and, best of all, they work. We're diving deep into 3 powerful strategies that can transform your finances, giving you more freedom, and how you can realize them. Whether you're just starting out or looking to diversify your income streams, these methods are designed to fit seamlessly into your life. So, if you're ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind and start building a future where money works for you, not the other way around, stick around. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's unlock the secrets to financial freedom together. First things first, what is passive income? It's money you earn with little to no ongoing effort. Think of it as setting up a money machine that keeps running while you're out living your life. It's not about getting rich quick, it takes time and effort up front. But once it's set up, the rewards can be life-changing. Imagine having the security of a consistent income stream, even if you lose your job or decide to take a break from the workforce. That's the power of passive income. It provides a safety net, a sense of freedom, and the potential to achieve financial goals you once thought were impossible. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Well, the catch is that it requires upfront work, dedication, and the right strategies. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. We'll explore proven methods that have worked for countless individuals, breaking them down into simple, actionable steps that you can implement right away. Remember, building passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart choices today that will pay off exponentially in the future. So, are you ready to embark on this journey towards financial freedom with me? Let's dive into the first powerful strategy. Let's start with dividend stocks. These are a fantastic way to generate a steady stream of income. These are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly, usually every quarter, just for owning the stock. Imagine getting paid simply for holding onto a piece of a company. It's like getting paid to own a piece of your favorite companies. Think about it, every time you shop at these stores, you're also earning money. Let's say you invest $30,000 in a dividend-paying stock with a 4% yield. This means you would earn a return on your investment without having to sell your shares. That translates to $1,200 a year, or $100 a month. This is money you can use for anything you need. And the beauty of it? You don't have to sell your stocks to earn this income. Your investment remains intact while you enjoy the benefits. It's like getting a bonus check every quarter just for being a shareholder. This can be a great way to supplement your regular income. Of course, not all dividend stocks are created equal. Some companies have a better track record of paying dividends than others. It's crucial to do your research. Look for companies with a solid track record of dividend payments and understand their financial health. And diversify your portfolio for long-term growth. By spreading your investments across different sectors, you reduce risk. Think of it like building a strong foundation for your financial future. A well-diversified portfolio can weather market fluctuations better. By investing in established companies that pay dividends, you're essentially partnering with them for the long haul, sharing in their profits, reaping the rewards of their success. As these companies grow and prosper, so do your dividends. Now, I understand that the stock market can seem intimidating, especially for beginners. The jargon and numbers can be overwhelming. But trust me, it's not as complicated as it sounds. With a little bit of learning, you can navigate it with confidence. There are tons of resources available, from educational websites to financial advisors who can guide you through the process. That can help you get started. Online courses, books, and seminars are also great ways to build your knowledge. The key is to start small, learn as you go, and gradually build your portfolio over time. Patience and consistency are your best allies. Remember, even Warren Buffett started with a single share. Everyone begins somewhere, and so can you. So don't let fear hold you back from tapping into the incredible potential of dividend stocks. Embrace the journey and learn from it. With the right knowledge and a little bit of effort, you can create a passive income stream that will reward you for years to come. Financial freedom is within your reach. Chapter 3: Rental Properties, From Side Hustle to Financial Empire. Next up, rental properties. Did you know you can generate income by renting out a home, apartment, or even a room on Airbnb? It's a fantastic way to make use of spaces that might otherwise sit empty. With platforms like Airbnb, you don't even need to own the property. You can lease a property and then rent it out, or even co-manage properties for others. Some hosts are making thousands a month by renting out spaces they lease or co-manage. This can be a game changer for your financial situation. Imagine having a steady stream of passive income flowing in every month, just from renting out a spare room or a property you're not using. This income can help cover your mortgage, pay off debts, or even fund your next vacation. It's like turning your living space into a money-making asset. You can transform your home into a financial powerhouse with just a few simple steps. Now I know what you might be thinking: real estate is expensive and managing tenants sounds like a hassle. These concerns are valid, but they can be managed with the right approach. And you're right, it's not for everyone. But for those willing to put in the effort, the rewards can be substantial. But the potential rewards are undeniable. The income from rental properties can provide financial stability and even lead to wealth accumulation over time. With the right property and a smart strategy, you can generate significant cash flow, build long-term wealth through appreciation, and even achieve financial independence. Renovating properties can also increase their value and rental income. The key is to start small and scale gradually. Begin with a manageable property and expand as you gain experience. You don't need to buy a mansion outright. Smaller properties can be just as profitable and easier to manage. Consider starting with a smaller property like a condo or a duplex, or even renting out a spare room on Airbnb to test the waters. This allows you to learn the ropes without a huge financial commitment. As you gain experience and build your capital, you can gradually expand your portfolio and watch your passive income soar. Remember, knowledge is power. Educate yourself continuously. Educate yourself about the local real estate market, learn about property management, and don't be afraid to seek guidance from experienced investors. Networking can provide valuable insights and opportunities. With the right mindset and a willingness to learn, rental properties can become your ticket to financial freedom. Embrace the journey and watch your financial empire grow. Chapter 4. Digital Products. Turn your knowledge into passive profits. Third on the list is digital products. Things like ebooks, online courses, or stock photos. These are items you create once and can sell repeatedly without any additional effort. Once you create them, you can sell them over and over again without any additional effort. This means that your initial investment of time and energy can continue to pay off long after the work is done. I know people making six figures a year from courses they recorded once. Imagine the freedom and financial security that comes with such a steady stream of income. And the great thing is, anyone can get started. You don't need to be an expert or have a huge following to begin. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What topics do you love to talk about or teach others? What skills or knowledge do you have that others would pay to learn? Maybe you have a unique hobby or a professional skill that others find valuable. Whether it's photography, cooking, coding, or personal finance, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. The possibilities are endless, and the beauty of digital products is that they can be accessed by anyone, anywhere in the world, 24/7. This global reach means your potential market is vast. Imagine waking up to find that you've made sales while you were sleeping. That's the power of passive income with digital products. It's like having a store that's always open. Now, creating a successful digital product does require effort and planning. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a sustainable way to build income over time. You need to identify a profitable niche, create high-quality content that provides value, and market your product effectively. This involves research, creativity, and strategic planning. But the good news is, there are countless resources available to help you every step of the way, from online courses to communities of digital entrepreneurs. You're not alone in this journey. So if you're ready to turn your knowledge and passions into a sustainable source of passive income, digital products could be your golden ticket. The key is to start now and keep learning. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your online business flourishes. With dedication and persistence, your digital products can become a significant source of income. Chapter 5. How to start small and build big. Not sure where to start? Begin with just one idea. Choose something that aligns with your skills or interests and build from there. The key is to get started. Even if you only make $100 a month at first, you're building the foundation for something bigger. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and when it comes to building passive income, that first step is often the most important one. Don't get bogged down by overwhelm or the fear of failure. Instead, focus on taking small, consistent actions towards your goal. Whether it's investing $100 in dividend stocks, listing a spare room on Airbnb, or creating your first online course, every little bit counts. Remember, building passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart choices today that will compound over time and create lasting financial freedom. So, What are you waiting for? Choose one idea that resonates with you, do your research, and take that first step today. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve with a little bit of effort and a whole lot of determination. Passive income isn't just a dream. It's possible for anyone willing to take consistent action. Which of these ideas are you most excited to try out? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos on how to grow your wealth and live the life you truly deserve.